Hey guys, so I decided to do a video on how to do a knotless box braid. And first I'm going in with my easy braid hair. You can get any pre-stretched braid hair that's suitable for you. And here, my first piece, being that it's a feed-in braid, my first piece will be small, and my second piece will gradually get bigger from that. So I'm just separating my pieces here, and you can twist it to determine how thick that piece of braiding hair would be, like such. And then depending on how big you want your braids to be, that determines on how much hair you add. And these are the items that you will need, of course. Any type of hair tie, a rubber band, whatever, any type of hair clip, whatever, and a comb that you can easily part with, of course. And my hair is like freshly washed, so I didn't apply any heat to it, so it's not as easy to maneuver through, but I know how to manage my hair best. So here I'm just gonna part it, and don't mind my box. My square of choice was just for demonstration purposes, so it is big, and that's quite alright. And then also to knotless box braids, it's okay to do your squares bigger, being that you're going to start off with your hair anyways, so you don't want it small unless you want really, really small braids. But anyways, so I know typically people use jam to part with, but I didn't. I just only used it to put on my hair to like hold it better when I start braiding it. So I slowed the video down so you guys can get a better glimpse of how I do it and what I did. So here I'm starting it off as if I'm braiding my hair by itself, or plaiting my hair by itself rather. And then I'm gonna grab that first smallest piece, so that it can gradually get bigger. And then plus, because my box isn't that big either, so it has to be small. So here I'm just going to plait it, and I don't know if you guys caught a glimpse of how I attached it between my two index fingers, but if you didn't, here it is. You're about to get that right now. So I'm pulling it apart, of course, and then I slide it through my two fingers there, and then I just braid it down one time. You can braid it down 2 times, but I feel like it blends better and grows bigger when you plait it down one time and then move to the next. So plait it down one time. Yep, bam, like that. And if you guys can't really see what I'm doing, let me know. I would definitely do another tutorial on how I do my knotless box braids, and I will try to get a little more close with it so you guys can see. And what's a braid without knots? None whatsoever. So here I'm just going to plait it down, and of course I have another piece to add in, or don't I? I think I do. Nope, I don't, because I'm continuing to braid down. So that was pretty much how I added it. And then also too, the thicker you want your plait to be, the more hair you add, and you just, like I say, you just gradually get bigger each piece that you choose, and you twist it to determine how big that piece is. That'll really tell you how big the piece is. And you can just lay them out and just grab them as you go. I don't know if you guys can see that hair rack in the back there in front of me. Those are really helpful. I will list where I got that from in the description box below, so you guys can go ahead and purchase you one, because it makes life worth living. Not literally, but it's a good item to have, especially when you do a lot of feed-ins or braiding, period. You can just grab it off the rack and go, rather than having your clients hold the hair in their hands and hand it to you, which that is always great too, but less is possible. So also, I'm gonna braid it down to the very end. I'm not one to stop halfway, midway, and then go back after I'm done with the whole head and finish it. I don't like to do that. I like to just knock it out the park, get it out the way, and go at, because I feel like it's gonna be the same amount of time you're gonna waste to braid. So that's pretty much it, guys. Tell me what you think. Thumbs up this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and yeah, until next time, stay sweet.